Thanks for coming. My name is Adnan. I'm one of the founders of Volano Entertainment. This is the company behind the Devil Circuit races. It's a completely unique form of running which we've brought to India. We've so far conducted six races, 6.5 races, actually a half race because we did one race at night where we attracted around 800 people and over 13,000 people have participated in our runs across India so far. We're looking at now with Charan on board, as the brand ambassador to take this to 5 cities this year. So we've got Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mohali, Pune and Noida planned, and then we're going to repeat these cities and then add 7 more. So within the next 3 years you will see the Devil Circuit races happening in 17 cities across India once a year. It will be an annual affair and we hope to attract over 150,000 runners annually, and we're looking at also attracting over 250,000 spectators to the races. So as a brand, this will become the largest running community property in India so far, and we hope to inspire other people to try and sort of come and support us, and also try and maybe believe in the fact that in amateur sport in India there is a it's a blue ocean, it's untapped market, and there is a huge potential of people who want to experiment. So we also have one variant of Devil Circuit that we're coming out with this year. This is actually a corporate challenge that we're doing in 4 cities. So it's happening in Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Mumbai, where we're inviting companies. Only 20 companies are coming in to participate in a inter-corporate challenge, which is a unique form of running because it's also a variant of Devil Circuit, but it's a much shorter format. It's 200 meters long. It's got 6 physical obstacles and 3 mental obstacles. So for example, you imagine you're crawling through on a barbed wire, and as soon as you come up, there's a mental maths question which says, what is 6 into 6 into 6 minus 5 into 5 into 5, and you have 4 options. If you choose the right one, you move on. If you choose the wrong one, it's a penalty score added to your team score. Right, and then your team will basically either praise you or pull your leg if you get mental maths wrong. And the top 2 teams from every city are going to be flown to Delhi at our expense, and they're going to compete in the finals. The winning team actually takes home a Maruti Suzuki Swift, and this whole thing is actually going to be put together for television. It's coming on NDTV Prime. The broadcast is from July onwards. So yeah, with Charan, I think what was what's actually great for us is the fact that he sees substance in what we're trying to do. And I think because there are a lot of celebrities out there, sporting personalities, who can support anything, but we needed somebody, because we're a small company, we're a young company, we needed somebody who had the same conviction as us to say, we love what you're doing, let me go on this path where nobody's gone before and try and create something which leaves a indelible impression or a memory in somebody's life. And one of the things that we're very, very happy about is the fact that as a startup, we are in the business of self-esteem. We make every runner feel on top of the world. We make every runner feel like a hero. And so far, 13,000 people have run in the event. And I can safely say, 99% of them will remember the experience till they die. And I cannot say that for, the other startups, for example. If tomorrow, if you're buying on your favorite e-commerce website and they go out of business for they don't have any more money to burn, 6 years from now, 5 years from now, you probably won't even remember them. But as a business, we will always have that advantage that, we have left an indelible impression on people's minds. And with Charan, I think, the biggest value add for us is that, we hope to become a very, very attractive property for people living in South India. So we work crazy hours, we're a small company. We like I said, we have people from consulting backgrounds, we have people from IT backgrounds, we have people fresh out of college, and we're just working with the whole purpose of, like I said, making people feel good, and that's what is driving us essentially. We started out of a Barsati, we moved into a bigger office, now we moved into an even bigger office, and all of this within just 3 years of inception. So.